I can never do just one take. And with mid-sentence. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to test out a couple of products that I got from my December Allure Beauty Box. So that was the one with Nikkietutorials. In there, it had her OFRA highlighter, which is in the Everglow, which is the tri-quad. They also had a mini version of a Juvia's Place palette. And there was a NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Cabernet Show. They also had an eyeliner, but I wasn't really sure where I was going with this look. So I skipped out on the eyeliner. I felt like it was already a little too dramatic, and I initially wanted to do something kind of on the natural side, but I think with the lip it made it look a little more dramatic than I intended on it. But you can always switch it out for a nude lip. But I really just wanted to play around with these products and let you guys know what I thought about everything. So if you want to see how I got this easy, kind of natural, kind of glam makeup look, then please keep on watching. I have all of the products that we're going to use right here. The only products I actually used was the OFRA highlighter, and I liked it a lot. So we're going to try using the 4 makeup products, which is the highlighter, the palette, the eyeliner, and the lipstick to create a look. So taking a look at the palette, I think we're going to do something more on the natural side. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and there's a lot of pigment on there. I'm going to apply this onto my crease. I'm going to mix these 2 shades together, and I'm going to deepen my crease. So I cleaned my brush off a little bit, and I'm going back in with this lighter shade, and I'm just going to buff out the edges. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this shadow onto my brow bone. So I'm just taking my brush and I am diffusing that color a little bit and just blending. I think I'm gonna go in with the same brush, and I'm gonna use this color right here. And I'm just gonna pack this onto my lid. I'm not gonna cut my crease, I just want to see how it performs. So I'm taking that shade and I'm just pressing it onto my lid and bringing it up to my crease, but I'm not going above my crease. I want this color and the crease color to blend into one without any harsh lines. Going in with these 2 colors, I'm going to pop this onto my lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with this color alone and just blend out the edges from the lower lash line a little bit. So going back in with my flat brush, I'm using this color, which is the one that we use to highlight our brow bone. I'm going to pop this into my inner tear duct. I'm going to add MAC's Teddy eyeliner into my waterline. Because this is more of a natural look, I didn't want to go too crazy with the eyeliner and the wing and all of that stuff. I decided to skip out on trying this eyeliner. I'll try it out another day and let you guys know what I think about it, but I just wanted to stick with the NYX Teddy eyeliner and just roughly run this on the top of my lids. And I think I'm just going to blend it out a little bit with a little bit of the brown. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the brown on top of it. So I just want something really, really subtle. I think I'm going to go back in with that same brown and just really set the eyeliner. So I add my mascara and my lashes on. I don't think I'm going to go in with blush, but I'm going to add a little bit more of my bronzer. I'm using the Hoola Bronzer. So now time for the highlighter. I'm going in with this middle shade right here. I'm just taking a fluffy brush. I'm just going to apply this onto my cheekbones. I've tried this highlighter on before and I love it. It goes on so nice. Going in with that same shade, I think I'm going to add this onto my brow bone instead of the other color, just so I think it'll just tie in really well. I'm also going to apply it into my tear ducts. Yeah, I like that so much more. I don't know which color. So the last step is going to be the lips. I'm going to use my NYX Nutmeg Lip Liner. So now we're going in with NYX's Cabernet Show. So with the liquid lipstick, the formula is really comfortable. It's very creamy, but it's like a thick, creamy, moussey type of texture, and it's extremely pigmented. I didn't need a lot of product at all. It looks really good with the lip liner, so I'm glad I went with that shade. And the applicator is a little more on the stiffer side. It's not very flexible. It's not really soft, but it's not hard either. I don't really know how to explain it exactly, but I don't know if I really care too much for the wand, but the formula and the color of this product feels really good, so I'm not going to complain. So yeah. So this is the completed look. I really liked all the products that I tried out. The palette was blending beautifully, very creamy, very pigmented, and surprisingly no fallout whatsoever, which is kind of crazy because I was getting some kickback, but as long as I dusted off my brush before applying it onto my eyes, I had no issues whatsoever. The highlighter I've used before and it's absolutely beautiful. The colors are really nice. The lightest shade, I don't know if I'll be able to make use of it. I will find some way to, but definitely it's not going to go on my cheekbones, and neither is this really deeper shade, but this will also be a really nice eyeshadow color. The middle shade is perfect, and a little goes a really long way with these highlighters. As you've noticed in my previous videos or my past couple of videos, I've been going in with a more fluffier brush to apply my highlighter. It's only because I haven't been really into a blinding highlight, so I just want something with more of a subtle natural glow. So fluffy brushes are the way for me recently. And the good thing about these highlighters is if I'm not sure if you're too familiar with a lot of highlighters, but some makes it look like you have some texture going on your cheeks or on your skin, and I wasn't having any issues with that, so that's also another big plus. And the last product is the NYX Lip Lingerie in Cabernet Show. So I was really happy with this. The formula is really nice. I've been wearing it for a while and it's not sticky, it's very comfortable, and the only thing that I found a little weird was the applicator. It's more like a spatula, just not as hard. It's not as soft. I'm not a huge fan of the applicator, but I can definitely get past that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.